Welcome to Shelby Farms Park, a place where you can come and relax, hike, go for a walk, do some fishing, have a picnic with your family. The list is long. So this is beautiful. So just come and sit and enjoy the lakes and exercise. You can do your runs. This is beautiful. All right. This is Shelby Farms Park. Here, there's a ton of things to do. Right? There is a water play park. You can walk on the trail. You can bike. There's just a lot to do here. You can come have a picnic. There's a ton of things to do. So we're just going to take a tour. So I'm only gonna go out towards the end and take a walk, but for now the place is really big, so for now I'm just gonna drive around so you can have a quick tour before I go out and take a walk. But this is beautiful. You can have your outdoor party. This is so beautiful. Look at all the things you can do: disc golf, Pine Lake boat rental, treetop adventure, playground, boathouse. It's just a lot. Cool place. And that's the visitor center over there. More places for picnics. Nice picnic spots, see? They are having a blast. Nice. So there's a ton of parking for you, so you don't have to worry about parking. It's beautiful. Beautiful, right? And that's the uplands. Kids can play and have fun. Is cool.
You guys are too heavy. Good pick you
This is Shelby Park Farms. Come here, have fun, go for a walk, fish, just do some picnicking, whatever it is you want to do. The air is so good. Take a walk and have fun. I'm about to do some exercise. You want to go exercise with me? That's gonna be virtual exercise though. I don't know how that's gonna help you. You just need to come over here, chill, do some fishing, hike, walk, whatever it is you want to do. Picnic, chill. It's up to you. All right. Everywhere you fish, chill, and you can sit and relax too. It's fun. Okay. If you're tired, you can sit and enjoy the lake, or just enjoy the air, taking some deep breaths. Oh, the air is good. This is really good. If you're looking for a place to hike and you're around the area, this is beautiful. But just walk, chill, fish, whatever it is you want to do. Or just come out with your family, enjoy the weather, and do some picnic. It's beautiful. Oh my. This is called Shelby Farms Park, guys. This is beautiful. Come on, just spend an entire day here and just chill. Have fun. I'm about to go and sit down and enjoy the fresh air from this lake. Oh, this is nice. You can either continue that way. The trail is all around. But I just want to go have a sit and enjoy the fresh air from this lake, guys. Guys, when the weather is beautiful, oh, you can have a beautiful picnic here. Oh my. I will bring along my grill and just enjoy the view and the air and the lake all day, and just grill and relax and chill and enjoy, chat with family, catch up on some good times. What a view. All right, if you don't know about this place and you live in the area, it's a good one to give it a try. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm gonna go ahead and continue my walk. Have a blessed one. Ciao, ciao.